Welcome back to IBA's Zone channel. We'll be discussing how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to solve challenging math problems. And the best part is, we'll be using the website Symbolab.com as our tool. However, before we dive in, make sure you've signed up and logged in to your Symbolab.com account. Let's start with algebra. Let's see how Symbolab can help us tackle complex algebraic problems. For instance, you might have a complex algebraic equation like this. How do we go about solving this? Input the algebraic equation. Symbolab will provide you with a step-by-step solution. This is incredibly helpful, especially if you want to understand the process. Next, let's switch to trigonometry. For many, trigonometry can be quite baffling. Symbolab can assist us in dealing with intricate trigonometry problems. For instance, you might have a trigonometry problem like this. Input the trigonometry problem. Look at the complete solution and the steps provided by Symbolab. Lastly, let's try a calculus problem. Calculus is often perceived as challenging, but with Symbolab, you can feel more confident. A calculus problem example might look like this. Once again, input the calculus problem. Symbolab will provide the correct answer and offer a great explanation of how they reached it. As you can see, Symbolab is an extremely useful tool for solving complex math problems. However, you also need to grasp the concepts behind the problems. Use Symbolab wisely to enhance your understanding of mathematics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.